that's Umachoge Burabu, Umachoge Chache, Bubasi, and South Mugrango. This youth group was founded by Steve Chokora, is the co-founder, is the founder of the group, chaired by Phil Konga, and the secretary is Sablon Momani, and I'm the coordinator, Alfred Obuba. This is a brainchild of the 4 constituencies, having representation from the 4, and they sat down, they discussed the issues of how we'll be able to uplift our own, that's Dr. Fred Matiang'I, looking at his good work he's doing in the country and the ministries he has held and how he has performed in it. As Omogusie at large, we believe that our Fred Matiang'I can be able to steer the country to higher levels other than holding the position as the CS. We are only here as the youths of the 4 constituencies which can be able to open up in the entire Busi region to see how we'll be able to give grassroots support so that we can be able to see how we'll be able to negotiate in the top management of the country. Therefore, this is not, it can't be seen as a political movement, but it is just a start on how we'll be able to propel Dr. Fred Matiang'I to higher levels. It will be able to open, the members we are seeing here is a representation of the 4 constituencies. We may not be able to open up every member and say where it's coming from, but it's just a representation of the 4 constituencies. Therefore, I'll give this chance to one of us to give a press statement on why we're here and what we intend to do. Thank you very much.